The higher washing machine error code E4 indicates a water fill-in issue, where the machine either fails to fill with water or fills slowly, triggering the E4 code to be displayed on the screen along with an alarm. This issue is commonly caused by a blocked inlet valve or when water fills and drains simultaneously. To fix the E4 error code, start by cleaning the inlet valve. Power off the washing machine. Turn off the tap, and disconnect the inlet pipe from the machine. Use a soft brush to clean the filter at the inlet valve. Then reconnect the pipe and turn the tap back on. Additionally, readjust the drain pipe to ensure the suspension height is between 80 to 120 centimeters. As the washing machine operates in upper drainage mode, if these steps do not resolve the issue, it is recommended to consult a service technician for further assistance.